Now let's talk about the main purpose of this course, which is using FAST version 8. FAST is a wind turbine simulation tool that couples structural dynamics, aerodynamics, wind turbine control, hydrodynamics, all of these loadings on wind turbines. The submodules of FAST version 8 include FAST, which is the glue code that holds together all of the other submodules. NREL's FAST is run from the FAST 8 driver and computes time-domain forward step simulations, calling individual modules when needed. FAST has a wider range of capabilities. It is primarily a simulation tool for wind turbine structural dynamics, aerodynamics, hydrodynamics, and control calculation.